Thank you. Thank you very much, Governor Wanga. Your Excellencies, all protocols observed. I must say, before Governor, I was also in international finance. And what I can say is that Homa Bay and the leadership here is absolutely first class. When you think about growing revenue, when you think about reforming the public service to deliver, when you look at this international investment conference, I think we must congratulate Governor Wanga and her team for a job well done. For the investors, I do want to emphasize that county governments are governments. They are not a small thing on the side. County governments are governments capable of partnering with you to deliver your investment plans. So, karibuni Homa Bay. A friend of Homa Bay. I've been coming here for the last couple of years, and I'm absolutely pleased with the progress that we see. I agree with Governor Wairia that Governor Wanga is without a doubt a two-term governor. And after that, asanteni sana.
Asante sana, Governor Ndiritu. I'd like to welcome